What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at Bitch by the Rolling Stones. We're going to start off here 6th fret. We're going to place our finger on that 5th string 6th fret. We're not fretting it yet, but we're going to. So once you have it like that, you're going to pick the string and then apply pressure and slide into the 7th. And if you can't do that, just fret the 5th string 7th fret, pick it. Then from there you're coming over here 5th fret, and we're going to fret the 4th string 5th fret. We're going to pick that once. Now you're going to keep that 4th string fretted here, and we're going to come over to this 7th and we're going to fret the 4th string. From here you're going to be strumming this open 5th, but it's a palm muted open 5th along with this 4th, and you're going to do that twice. And you're going to remove your finger off that 4th string 7th fret. And you're going to strum this open 5th and 4th once. Then we're going to re-fret the 4th string 7th fret and strum through the open 5th and 4th twice. Just like we did. So that happens twice. Take your finger off, and then we're going to strum the open 5th and 4th once. From there we head down here 7th fret, and we bar strings 2 and 3, and we strum through them once. Back to the 5th fret, barring strings 2 and 3, and we strum that once. That finishes up the very first part. Second part, we're going to be here on the 5th fret. We're going to fret the 4th string, 5th fret, and we're going to do that palm muted open 5th along with this 4th once. Over here, we are keeping that 4th string fretted right there. Coming over here 7th fret, we're fretting the 4th string 7th fret and strumming through the open 5th and 4th string twice, just as we did in the beginning. We remove that, and then we just strum that open 5th and 4th once. And then right from there, we come over here 7th fret and we rebar strings 2 and 3, just as though we did in the beginning, and we strum through them once. Back to the 5th string, we're barring strings 2 and 3, and we're going to strum through that once. It's the second part. Third part, final part, 5th fret, we're going to fret this 4th string 5th fret, and then we're going to pick it once and hammer on the 4th string 7th fret. And then we're going to leave that off, and then we're going to re-pick that 4th string fretted on the 5th fret once. Back to the 7th fret, we're going to be fretting the 5th string 7th fret, pick that once. And then back to the 5th fret, we're going to be fretting the 6th string picked once. So that part is just you can also play it without the palm muted open 5th string if you want.